So the first cocktail we're doing is a sangria from a cocktail creator called Birdy. To my mind, she was one of the first sort of Instagram influencer bartenders that at least I was aware of. And this goes back, you know, quite a few years, probably all the way back to maybe 2013 or 2014 maybe. And she's an LA-based bartender that has run a bunch of programs. She now has her own bar called Coot Owl, and she also has a mobile bartending service as well. Her name is Amanda, but I don't know her last name. And she's been at my bar a couple of times and I've served her a few times. She's very lovely. She also makes a fantastic drink. Her drinks are bangers. And today we're gonna be doing a one-off sangria. I think I already said that, didn't I?
Yeah.
All right, well, I said it twice, sue me.
So on behalf of creators everywhere, I have filed a class action lawsuit.
So let's get this. Kind of missing some equipment here today, but luckily it's right here. Ta-da! All right. First things first, let's do our citrus. Half an ounce of lime juice. I'm gonna do half an ounce of lemon. I really love it when recipes split citrus because you get a little bit of sweetness from the lemon, you get a little bit of the tart kind of sharpness of the lime, and it's real nice. I like it. Nope, wrong one. Cinnamon syrup. Freshly made half an ounce of cinnamon syrup. I forgot to do this first, but really honestly, in the order of making cocktails, especially if you're doing it at work, you wanna do this first. 1 dash of Angostura bitters. We're gonna do another dash of Angostura bitters. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed, or freshly juiced, I guess, pineapple, not squeezed. You don't squeeze a pineapple, but you do juice it. If you don't wanna use fresh pineapple juice, you can always just go to Trader Joe's. They have a little 100% pure pineapple juice in a can. That works very well, and it is much better than the ocean spray stuff. So just do that instead. 3/4 of an ounce of brandy, and we're using the high proof saloon strength from Argonaut. Ooh, we gotta open our bottle of wine. I did not pre-open the bottle of wine. Should we give people another tutorial on opening a bottle of wine so we can just anger the... That's not how you do it in a high-end restaurant. A wine key, a wine key. My kingdom for a wine key. And you would think this many years in, I would just be prepared, but apparently being prepared is beyond me. Probably makes better sense to leave this on set than put it in the kitchen. It's not like we're opening copious bottles of wine in the kitchen. Apparently this is the way you're supposed to do it. But I don't give a
Hmm? What way?
You're not supposed to twist the bottle or whatever. Doing 2 ounces of a medium bodied red wine. And last but not least, a little splash of Coke. And we're really, you know, doing the Coke for the flavor, so it doesn't really matter that we're going to make it completely unfizzy when we shake. That's kind of the point. You know what? I'll cut a little more ice.
Oh, it didn't stick. Didn't stick.
Didn't what?
The freezer didn't stick. I didn't have time.
Oh, I know, yeah. Let's put some ice in here. Give it a shake. Give it a little slappy poo. I gotta tell you, these are like my favorite things. And what's great about them is not only can you garnish cocktails with it, but you can infuse this into booze and it preserves the natural flavor of the lime. Awesome. Let's clean this setup a little bit, shall we, real quick, and then give this guy a taste. Cheers. Well, that's nice. The red wine doesn't dominate at all, though. You get those nice tart wine notes. You get a little bit of that cinnamon, balancing out the citrus. I can even kind of feel the brandy in there a bit, which is nice. It's nice with the mint. I don't know, it's not the most complex thing, but it's not supposed to be. It's just supposed to be a banger. It's supposed to be one of those cocktails that you just go to. It's really light, it's really refreshing. It's something you can have at the end of the day. All of the flavors pair really well. And it is what I want out of a sangria. You can feel the citrus in there. You get a little bit of the cinnamon, you get a little bit of the, body from the brandy, and then of course the wine. So there it is, Birdy's one-off sangria.